Hey there, this is Neil from Guitar Theory Revolution, and today I'm going to show you how you can learn all the notes on the guitar. I'm going to show you something called the universal note pattern, which will help you with this, and I'm going to show you an exercise that will help you learn all the notes within a few days. Okay, the first thing to know is that I count the strings on the guitar in a different way than most people. I count from the thickest string to the thinnest string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next up, there are 12 notes in Western music. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and B. To make this more easy, we'll concentrate on only 7 notes for now. C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Because when we know these, we'll automatically see the other notes in between. For example, here's C, and here's D, and the C sharp or D flat lies in between. C, C sharp, D. We'll also make it easier on ourselves by only concentrating on the first 12 frets. A guitar spans 2 octaves. The first 12 frets are the first octave, and from there on you get the second octave. So if we learn everything on the first 12 frets, we'll automatically know everything on the second 12 as well. Okay, now I'm going to show you the universal note pattern. We'll start with F. The first F is on the first fret of the first string. The next one is the first fret of the 6th string. The next one is here, on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. After that, it's on the 6th fret of the 5th string. Then we have one on the 8th fret of the 2nd string, and finally we have one on the 10th fret of the 4th string. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Fs. Each note appears 6 times on the first 12 frets, and only once on each string. And of course this pattern repeats exactly the same from the 12th fret onwards. I'll show you how the pattern works again for the G. There's the first G on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Here's the next one on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. There's the next one on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. The next one, 8th fret of the 5th string. Here's the G on the 10th fret of the 2nd string, and finally there's one on the 12th fret of the 4th string. Are you starting to see the pattern now? Here's the A. First A, second A, the next A, another one. Right, can you see there's a final A on the 14th fret? As I said, the patterns continue past the 12th fret. 14 minus 12 is 2. So you can find another A down here on the 2nd fret. So remember, this pattern applies to every single note. F, F sharp, G, G sharp, etc. Concentrate on learning C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, and you'll automatically see the other notes appear in between. And remember, there's no sharp or flat between the E and the F. E, F, and there's no sharp or flat between B and C. Okay, now I'm going to give you an exercise which will help you remember all the notes on the fretboard. Because in the beginning, you'll remember them in order like this. But what you want to do is to be able to put your finger anywhere on the fretboard and know which note it is. So we'll do that with this following exercise called the pedal point exercise. Let's start with F. F on the first fret of the first string, then go to the next F, then go back to the first F, then the third one, then back again, then the fourth one, then back again, etc. Do that all the way up the fretboard, and if you want, you can do it past the 12th fret as well. Okay, that concludes the lesson. If you want more help, head over to Guitar Theory Revolution, where you can download a free ebook that contains diagrams as well as more exercises to help you learn all the notes on the guitar.